Hello everyone, this is Sushi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this, review this new backpack. So this is a camera backpack. So let's go and start with the physical features over here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a strap over here to put your tripod. Pretty good. Zips are good. Down here there's a rain cover. So you can just cover your bag and protect it whenever it's raining. There are two paddings down here. It's a stable the bag and protect it from the bottom. Voila! This looks new. So it's bright. You can see all your compartments properly. As you can see, this padding is strong enough. There are two zips over here where you can put all your stuff. And here I have a camera. I'll just show you how to use it. So there's this. I have for Canon 1100D. Let us see if it fits here. Yes, it does. There's pretty much space. Here we have a long lens which can fit over here. There's a flash over here. So not bad, not bad. Here comes my flash. As you can see this, here comes my flash. There's one more lens which I have, which might fit over here. Let me just take this out. Not bad. And there's a transmitter. As you can see my old video, I've done a review about this digital transmitter and the flash. So here I put the transmitter. As you can see, there's pretty much more space. There's actually, if I put it properly, there's a lot of space. Here there's one pocket free. As you can see, I'll just show you the back properly. Looks pretty much clean. And here's the bag. Then here I have this battery for my flash. So I just go and put it inside. You can put anything inside like phones and your lens hoods can come over here. This place over here. There's many things. I'll get you my flash stand. So flash stand also will come over here. At a whole, this is a really good bag, and there's pretty much, we have more cables and all can come over here. Sorry for blocking the frame. Cables and all can come over here nicely. This packing also is really good. Let us close it. Let us see if it stays in place. Feels comfortable. Well, as you can see, I'm wearing it right now. It's pretty stylish. It's lightweight also. For the price, it's not a pretty bad bag. Pretty good bag for the price. I think you can just go and buy one. I bought this for 1,200 or something. Amazon. Just go ahead, just get one. It's really good. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.